What I'm going to show you is Belem Castle. It's a sea fort from Lisbon, Portugal. I printed that. That is 30 centimetres, over 30 centimetres tall. Hollow in the middle, so you can put lights in there. It's supposed to be printed in marble, but it doesn't stand out very well. So we're going to paint this gold and make it look better for a Christmas village. So there we go. Just finished painting the building gold. I'll bring that out here shortly. The castle suits perfectly to this environment. We'll try it in the 100-acre woods as well and see how it fits there. Down the end of the woods here, you can see the mess I'm making with the 3 waypoints. I am not getting anywhere with the 3 waypoints, so I'm going to move them to somewhere else. Some arrivals this week. United Dairies Milk Wagon. Hornby couple was on it. Absolutely perfect for the Gauchon station. So I'm just going to go about where that blue box is. Just there. When I get that all cleaned up. Yeah, I think it showed up. This is advertised as being second-hand and bashed up. Missing a couple that was advertised. Hornby couple up that end, that's good. Advertised as having the roof repainted, which is been done. Didn't tell me that the roof had actually been glued back on. You can see where it's been broken there. That wasn't mentioned on the eBay auction, but still, that is going to sit about there, sailed in behind the station. There's an old building as well. That's a small merchant house. It's quite nice, I like it. It's working really well in this forest. This is on the Drenham, Drenham, I don't know how they pronounce it. Pack. It's a city pack that you can get on Thingiverse or from Code 2. I'll put the links in. What I've done, printed that out. Put some cheap little bushes in there and some nice orange flowers. And that just fits in perfectly. Currently I'm using it over at the lobster factory, but it fits perfectly.